Welcome to Couch Cocktails. I'm Jenny. Today we'll be making an Espresso Martini. Thank you to Cossie Class for the suggestion. This one goes out to you. Now hop on the couch and let's whip one out. We're gonna make our first syrup today. 1/4 cup of hot water, 1/4 cup of demerara sugar, which is basically just a brown sugar that's less processed. It's gonna be a little bit darker, richer, really nice in this cocktail. And just stir it until the sugar dissolves. If you don't have demerara sugar at home, you can use brown sugar in the syrup instead, or you can forgo the water and just use maple syrup. Maybe start with a little bit less because it might be a bit sweeter than the syrup. First ingredient, vodka, 2 ounces. Next, 1.5 ounces of the syrup that we just made. Next, 2 ounces of espresso. You can use espresso or strongly brewed coffee. Emphasis on strong. 2 ounces. I'm gonna add a couple drops of real vanilla. We're not using a coffee liqueur in this. Oops. And again, it's best if you use real vanilla. The fewer ingredients you use, the more each ingredient is gonna stand out. So if it's artificial vanilla, you'll be able to taste it. I do recommend using real vanilla in this case. It's a couple drops. Now we're going to shake it. If you have a fine strainer, you can double strain it and your froth will be perfect. If you have them, if you want to add a garnish, you can use 3 coffee beans. 1, 2, 3. Now that's an espresso martini. Cheers. Next time we'll be making a hot tea toddy. On Couch Cocktails, we want to make what you want to drink. So be sure to like and subscribe and tell me in the comments, what do you want to drink?